Welcome to my YouTube channel Ultimate Home Tutors. In today's session, we are discussing about PHP constant. Constant are very important as per programming language point of view. Like in each and every programming language, there is some constant thing are there that will be required to do in programming. That the value cannot be changed. That type of variables or methods or anything you require definitely in programming. So that's why PHP also have constant. It is a variable. Constant is a variable. The value of constant may not be changed if we define if first time we define it, and we cannot change the value of constant. Unlikely constant and the variables like the PHP constant can automatically access anywhere in entire script. Okay, if you declare it, you can access anywhere in the PHP code or entire script. We can use it. Constant, some rules are there. Constant is an identifier, or it have simple value. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name start with a letter or underscore. Okay, no dollar sign before the constant we are giving it. Okay, this is very important. A valid constant name start with a letter. This we call this is the very important. The valid constant name start with letter or underscore. It not start with the dollar sign. Okay, why it not start? Because PHP has some super global variables are there. They start with that name. Okay, so that's why we are using it. Uh, So we'll start now. We'll move to our editor and we'll start the creating the constant. Okay. Basically, constant are created with some syntax like we have to define method. We have to use it for like to create a constant. We use define function. The syntax for define is define, the name, comma value, case sensitive. Next third column, third argument is case sensitive or insensitive, that we by default case insensitive is false. Okay, so that if you declare it, by default it is case sensitive. So remember this, will declare with the help of code. You can understand betterly, for that's why we are doing with the help of programming code. So you'll get an idea that how we can declare a constant. And okay, so we'll start now. This is my old program. I just save with new file. uh, just save as for .php, save as, just writing constant, what will cons constant.php. Okay, so just save it, constant.php. We start with the question mark php, and uh, then question mark. Okay, so this is our code we write here. Save here, because we are writing PHP codes, so that's why we have to write this syntax in PHP and run this code on server. So we are creating here a constant. So we are using right now a define method. So we'll do it. Firstly, we define is there. So define, I just want a name, that my name is my variable name. My name. Okay, this is my name is my variable name, and the value I'm putting in a string format, like my name is ultimate home tutor. Okay, this is my name, and I'm using here by default. My name is case sensitive, so this I'm already find my name as a constant. So I just print the echo value for my name. Constant, is it constant? So I'm just writing here my name and semicolon. Okay, just put it this and save. Already we have saved with the constant.php. We'll go and find it out. Here we have to change something constant. Okay. Oh. This constant.php. Okay. Use of undefined constant my name assumed to be my name. This will be error. Okay, but our value is one warning is there. Use of undefined constant my name assume my name. This will be thrown an error in future version. Okay, don't worry. Line number 2. But this is warning, not error. So that's why we are using ultimate home tutor. Just print it. Then I just want. Is it case sensitive or not? So that the that we already discussed, like here, mm, how we can declare. This will be very important. Like third argument is case insensitive. So this we have to, by default it is false, means whatever you're writing, it's is it case sensitive. So we'll do one thing. Uh, we'll go and write it down as false. So uh, it will be helpful that you get understand. Like I'm just printing echo. Just print echo and br statement. I'm writing br. Okay, break line, and I'm writing here a true value. What I write it, comma, true, true. Okay, so and just copy this echo my name and again print it here in my name and just putting e as a small. Okay, so what happens, save. Okay, save and then again run. So it printing two times, like ultimate home tutor. What happens, you just put it thus echo as a hash. I'm just commenting this and again try it again. Is it working? Yeah, is it working? Because there is some break line is there and then it printing ultimate home tutor. Okay, you got it. By default it is false. I'm just remove this and just do this save, then it will not print and give an error that. Okay, and this warning, use of undefined my name assumed to be my name, this will be an error. Okay, so it is not printing the value. Warning comes but output is not showing here. Is it clear? Okay, good. Then we will go to next point, that we have to discuss about okay, constant as a global. Constant are automatically global and can be used across the entire. Yes, I just explain you right now. This constant are the global variables. They can be used across the entire script. Okay. Then we'll discuss about PHP 7. Uh, you can create an array constant using define method also. Okay. If you want to create an array constant, in that case you use an this method for creating PHP array as a constant. So I will demonstrate you how we can create this, so you get an idea that okay. So go to the then our code here, okay, and I'm just deleting this all code, okay. I think so you are enjoying this session because I'm here teaching you PHP basics. So define method we again using define. In that we are declaring variable, okay, declaring variable name student, okay, and the value mm, value is like I'm declaring student as a array, so that's I'm using value in that. What what will be the value for student? Put in square bracket whatever value you want to do it, like a student like Ganesh, okay, put it in double quote, sorry, name Ganesh, okay, comma, okay, Vijay, oh my god, put it in double quote, Vijay, comma, double quote, Rahul. I'm selecting random number as not my student, or maybe student, I don't know who is watching this video, but I think so lots of people watching this and they will enjoy. Okay, Ganesh, Vijay, Rahul. Okay, again we put Virat. Okay, Virat. Then again put uh, Priyanka. Okay, so these are the these all are my student. So I'm declaring array of student and just put it semicolon here. This student array is constant. So we are define this student array as a constant. We can access this student as a constant throughout our script because we are declared here as a constant. So with the help of define method, we are declare it. Then echo, oh, sorry, echo. I just put it here and write. This is an array. So I just write student. Whatever index value I want to do it, like index value 0, I want to put it here, and like echo and putting br break line tag is there. Okay, just do it one. We'll run this code and we'll find definitely the output for this. Okay, 0 is Ganesh because on 0 index we having a Ganesh, so I'm just put this all this code and select, okay, oh, select this all codes, copy and paste. I'm putting one here and okay, just do it, save, okay, Vijay. So that this is a constant that we are using here. So I think so you understand how we can declare array as a constant. Is it okay? Is it okay? Okay, next thing we are discuss here, like whatever constant we are declaring, they are all are that we call globals. Okay, they all are what, they are global, so that we can access anywhere in throughout our code or script, or whatever we use it. Okay, so we'll check it out that definitely it is correct or not, constant or global or not. So we'll check it out with the same some code and programming, so you will get an idea. Like here for this only I'm declaring some function here, like function 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 I'm declaring like test. Okay, test function I'm declaring here, curly bracket on. So in that test function I want to access this student, Rahul student, I want to access it. Okay, in that I'm just using echo message here, and Rahul 0 1 2. Okay, Rahul is on index number 2. Just put it here, test function, and I'm calling here uh, test. Okay, okay. So I'm do it once again, save, and do it. Okay, it will printing Rahul. Like we are calling this test function here. We are declare test here and calling here. Just comment it. Okay, this we are declare function but not use. So what happens then? Check it out. Okay, it not printing a Rahul here. Okay, you get an idea that how we can use it, and just removing. So whatever the uh, uh, whatever the global, whatever the constant we are declaring with the help of define method, uh, it will be considered as a global variable. So it is a very important concept to do this. Okay, then we'll do switch to the next topic. Okay, this is done. Then okay, I think so. We have considered, means completed the constant, how we can declare a constant array. If you like this programming style and code, and you require the PDF, uh, so that you can call me, and description is my number, or you can join my web designing course. Like I'm sharing uh, g- link for you, WhatsApp group link, and that you can just join the my course here, and definitely you get an idea like how we can use this constant. Okay. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, do you and press bell icon for next video update. Okay. Thank you, we'll meet in next lecture.